Depression isn't just feeling sad. It's a medical condition that affects the brain's chemistry, and for many, antidepressants can help. But how do they actually work? Let's break it down. Your brain uses chemicals called neurotransmitters, like serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine, to send signals between nerve cells. In depression, these signals can get disrupted or weakened. Antidepressants help restore the balance. The most common type is SSRIs, or selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. Normally, after serotonin sends a signal, it's reabsorbed by the brain cell. SSRIs block this reabsorption, or reuptake, so more serotonin stays in the space between neurons, helping improve mood and emotion over time. Other types include SNRIs, TCAs, and MAOIs, each affecting different combinations of brain chemicals. It's important to know, antidepressants don't work instantly. They usually take 2 to 4 weeks to show results and may cause side effects at first, like nausea, sleep changes, or mood swings. They're most effective when combined with therapy, exercise, and support, and always under a doctor's guidance. In short, antidepressants help rebalance brain chemistry, giving many people the support they need to manage depression. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more medical animations.